Are there any check engine lights or fluids leaking on the vehicle, sir?
No, not if it doesn't rain.
So when it rains, there is check engine light?
No, but fluids drip off the car, off the truck when it rains.
Well, of course, it's water, sir. Right? Or are you talking about other fluids?
No, rain. Rain drips off of it.
That's why water.
Exactly.
Now, other than that, sir, any other check engine lights or fluids leaking from the vehicle?
No.
Any modifications done to the vehicle?
No. Change oil a few times.